Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload files on Google Drive. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! With over 2 billion users, Google Drive has become one of the most popular cloud storage platforms. Its ability to keep files securely synchronized across devices makes Google Drive a convenient place to store everything from documents to photos or videos. But you can get more out of this powerful platform by understanding this case ways to upload files and folder. So how to do it if you want to upload files on Google Drive? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Google Drive. Now, if you want to upload files on your Google Drive, you can just tap on the plus icon on here on the new option here. There is an option like upload. But before that, you can just try upload the files from your device to Google Drive. But on my previous video, I've shown you how to create folder. And now I want to upload files to this folder. So we can open the folder, tap on the plus icon here. Now you can tap on upload. Now you can choose on the files that you want to upload to your Google Drive. For example, I will choose from my gallery. You can upload like photos, videos, documents, any files on this Google Drive. I will try to upload photos, multiple photos. I upload this. Now you can tap on plus checklist. So the files has been being uploaded to your Google Drive. It's so simple, right? So that is how to upload files on Google Drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.